Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Alrighty, so we are going to be talking about user input today. And as you can see, I've already made a user input project folder. I've also made a file that says userinput.py because we're writing in Python. It's a .py file. Let's get into it. So first we're going to type in a example user input thing that could be used. Alrighty, so whatever you input into, so candy is a variable, and what we're going to be doing right here is, what is your favorite candy? So for example, my favorite candy is Twix, so I would type into here, my favorite candy is Twix, and then that recognizes what you input into this question is saved under the variable candy, which will make a lot more sense once we type in what we're going to be printing. So print your favorite candy is, I cannot spell, plus candy. So whatever we inputted for the previous question. Alrighty, let's run this guy. So we're going to click Control Save. We're going to open our files, and I'm going to go to my data drive right here, and wherever you put your project folder, or if you're following along, wherever you put your project folder, Munchkin's Projects, and then user input, and then click on this, and then right click on this, and we're going to be editing with the most recent version of idle that we put on our PCs, idle 3.9. There we go. We're going to open this. It's going to open. Your mouse died. Sorry. So, we're going to be opening this. Edit with idle 3.9. And then here's our lovely little code that we wrote. We're going to be clicking Run. And then Run module. There we go. And what is your favorite candy? Mine is Twix. Your favorite candy is Twix. It's as simple as that. We're also going to be doing numbers as well. So let's click out of all of this and let's start to do some numbers work. Okay, so let's start on numbers. Okay. Num1 equals input. And our input is going to be our question, which is, what is your favorite number? Number. So we have to change this from a string into an integer. And then we have to change it back from an integer to a string after we input what we're supposed to be doing. Python is sometimes a user-friendly language, but sometimes it makes you want to bang your head against the wall. Welcome to coding. I've sucked you in. There's no way out. So, ready? Int num3 str num3 actually, and then and str stands for string. So we're converting that into a string, and then we're going to be printing your favorite number and my favorite number. Combine to, and then we're going to be adding num4. Okay, Control, Save. You always press Control, Save. And now we're going to go to our file system, and I'm going to open my Munchkin's Projects folder. You're going to open whatever folder you made. User input, userinput.py. We're going to be editing this with idle. Idle 3.9, opening. We're going to be running it and praying that it works to the coding gods. What is your favorite number? My favorite number is 12. And we did it! Woohoo! Thank you guys for tuning into this video, and as always, have a great rest of your day, guys. And this...
And you did something wrong, we have to start over now.
Again?
No.
We'll just edit it. So instead, segue into the This is a very elongated form of doing it. Here is the condensed form.
3, 2, 1. And just to add a little bit of something, what we just did is a very, very long form. Here is the condensed form. So, num int input. It's kind of like math. You just got to make sure that all the parentheses are correct and you do your order of operations correctly. And then we delete that. And then stir int stir, which stands for string. What is your favorite number? And then bam. So now we're going to press Control Save. We are going to be opening up our file browser. We're going to be going to whatever your file is called. Mine is called Munch's Projects. We're going to be going into user input.py, edit with idle, edit with the most recent version of idle that you have downloaded on your PC. Okay, and we're going to be running it. Here we go. Run module. What is my favorite number? My favorite number is 12. My favorite number and my favorite number combined to 25. Alrighty, so thank you guys very much, and have a great rest of your day.
Shut up, John.
Daggers. I am staring daggers at you. I cast cloud of daggers centered on John.
What do you think she's doing if she's counting down, John? What do you think she's about to do?
Subtract 20 hit points.
Just, Okay,
Good, Hannah.
3. Stop it. I can't quit out of this because it's a major charity project, but I want to quit.
Really?
Okay. It will feel really good once the video is uploaded and published. Just
True, but still. Okay,
It feels so good once it's done with.
has everyone gotten their talking out?
I don't know. You'll have to ask John.
I have to pee real quick.
Really? In the middle of?
I have to pee!
I'm still running the recording. Let's see
No.
how long it takes you to get. Let's see how long it takes you to get back.
That's weird and creepy.
Yeah, you should.
And that's going in the bloopers.
Yep.
More bloopers? As if we need more material.
We always need more bloopers.
I'm a walking, talking blooper at this point.
Yeah.